In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create full-width banners in Notion. This is a simple way to make your Notion pages look cleaner, more polished, and more visually impressive. It works great for personal dashboards, planners, wikis, and workspace pages, especially if you want a banner that feels wider and more custom than the standard page cover. To get started, open Notion and either create a new page or open an existing one. Make sure you're editing the exact page where you want the banner to appear. It's easier to set everything up when you're already inside the page and can immediately see how the layout changes. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens your page settings and layout options. In that menu, turn on the full width setting. This is important because it gives your page more horizontal space, which helps the banner stretch across the page and look much more like a true full width design. Once full width is enabled, click into the page and type /embed. From the menu that appears, select Embed. This creates an embed block, which is what we'll use to place the banner into the page. After that, click Upload. Then choose the option to select a file and upload your downloaded banner image from your device. Make sure you pick the correct banner file so the layout looks the way you expect. If your image was designed as a wide banner, it should fit much better in this setup. When the image has been added, close the sidebar from the top left corner. This gives you a wider workspace and lets you preview the banner more clearly without the sidebar taking up extra room. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when adjusting the final look. Now click on the side of your banner and drag it to increase the width. Widen it until it fills the space the way you want. This is the final adjustment that makes the banner feel full width on the page. Take a moment here to fine-tune it so it looks balanced and clean. If you want an even better preview, you can also press F11 on Windows to view your screen in full screen mode. That can help you see the banner with fewer distractions and get a better sense of how it will look during everyday use. And that's it. With full width enabled, an embed block added, your banner uploaded, the sidebar closed, and the image stretched across the page, you now have a full width banner in Notion.